Dota 2, speaking of big bucks, speaking of $30 minimum wage, this is a bit better than that. This is your story, Will. So why don't you take it away?
Well, Dota 2 is a PC game.
Oh, wow.
Very popular.
Wow, you're going to go way back. The history.
If the people don't know. But they usually have these tournaments that have huge prize pools. I think last year or 2 years ago, it was like 19 million. And this year, they topped it.
Actually, Will, you got that wrong. Last year, it was 34.33 million.
Oh, was it? Oh, okay.
Which it just passed this year at 34.34. This is in the article. And they think they're going to hit 40 million this year, but they break the record every single year.
Yes.
They're currently sitting at 34.34 by taking 25% of the Battle Pass bundle and contributing that to the prize pool, which is something that you told me about. It's an incredible model. I think it's so cool that the fans get something in the form of the Battle Pass, but then they also get to know that whatever team wins is going to get a portion of their payment.
That's great.
It's such a cool, now they want to watch the thing even more and play the game even more. This is the largest prize pool for a championship event, any kind of esports event in all of esports history. Now they say that they have the opportunity to add several million to this, and Valve has set its sights on 40 million by adding even more bonus rewards to the Battle Pass to try to increase the number of people that purchase it. Now, I presume that this prize pool will be split up in such a way, not just to the top team, but you'll have second place prize, third place prize. But still, that is a lot of money to distribute.
Oh, yeah.
In exchange for an esports event.
Congrats to them, though, for making it happen. It's great.
Yeah, absolutely. Fun times.